Hi guys, and welcome on this channel. Just Jade. Today I am Maleficent. Oh yeah. So it's Halloween time. Today I'm going to make slime that looks like blood. You can prank someone with it. I don't know why you clicked this video. Do you want to make blood slime? No, it's not just a slime with a little bit of food coloring. So I'm going to do something different. Maybe you know it already, maybe you don't, so keep watching and please subscribe already. Yeah, look like a cow, but okay. So yep. Then we are going to add a little bit of white glue, because blood is not all transparent. Unless you're a vampire. What? No, I didn't say that. Yeah, welcome to the internet. Let's mix it. I'm going to add a little bit of hand soap. It works perfectly fine to give your slime a glossy look like blood does. How do I know that? So a little bit of hand soap. It doesn't matter what brand it is. You're also not a brand. Now we are going to mix it. It looks like milk. And now I'm going to add red. Yeah, what a surprise. Yeah, right? Or left. So now I'm going to add baking soda. More red. So I'm going to add a little bit of black paint. So now I'm going to turn it into slime. Oh my god. It's gonna be a huge slime. So this is a slime. Yeah. Nice. It makes like this funny noises. So if you, behind your screen, like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You probably heard this 100,000 times, but okay. So please subscribe, turn on the notification bell thing, and I wish you a happy Halloween! Woo! And then I say bye-bye!